I got question about this microscope. Can it output 1080p 60 fps via HDMI cable? Now this microscope camera is connected directly via HDMI cable to this 2K monitor. As I can see, this camera can output 4K, but it cannot output 2K. So this screen is okay for this test. I'm using this 2K monitor because it can confirm that input from HDMI is 1080p 60 fps. And camera I'm using right now is recording 1080p 60 fps. I will move my hand so I can count frames. Here I have Arduino Uno and I will try to move it slowly to compare frame rate. Now I will move slow. Faster. Faster. This is minimal zoom and I will make photo. Photo is recorded to SD card. And now I will zoom. Focus. Good. And I will take second photo. In the options menu, there are 6 pages with different options. But image size has only one size, 12 megapixel. And now I will go to video mode. If I click this video, it starts recording and I will try to move around. This is, I'm moving with full zoom. And now I will zoom out. Minimal zoom right now. Good. And this is on minimal zoom. I will try to move more. Faster, faster, slow. Stop recording. Video options have different resolutions. I have recorded with 1080p 60 fps. There are other options and highest option is 4K 60 fps. But when I use this option, it will be this cropped image. Let's record. Now it's recording and I will move around. When I'm recording, I see delay lag. And one more option here is also 4K 30 fps. 4K 30 fps is not cropped. Now I can take out SD card. I will take photos from this SD card and I will upload them. This is the footage, just double checking that camera was recording with 60 fps. I will go frame by frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. 60 fps recorded with camera. Now this is a footage from camera on this monitor. Let's go frame by frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what I see here is Yes, I see something is changing on that monitor, but really it feels like in half transition. For example, right now 1 or the 0 is clearly visible. I'm going to the next frame, and now it is half part left behind and some part moved front, so it's not clear image. Next frame. Now it's again clear. There is no double picture. Next frame. Double picture again. Next frame. Clear picture. Double picture, clear picture. Can I call it 60 FPS? No. This is footage from SD card, 1080p 60 FPS. I will go frame by frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like a real 60 FPS, but picture is not so clear. On HDMI, it does not feel 60 FPS, but every second frame is more clear to see.